with Marielody. Marielody.
Hi friends, welcome back. And guess what? We're going on a break. Come with us on a great adventure on a vacation. Cece's going to Miami to visit her grandparents. Jesse is going to the mountains to ski and he's driving in a car. And Wendy is staying home and doing amazing activities with her family. Follow along and see how we go on these great adventures together. Let's get Cece ready for her big vacation. She's going on an airplane. Have you ever been on an airplane?
No!
Oh, Cece, have you ever been on an airplane? No, she hasn't. So we are going to tell you all about it. It's so much fun. But first, we have to pack. Let's pack Cece up to go on vacation. She wants to bring things that make her feel comfortable and familiar like you have at home. Do you have a special bear that you sleep with, or a blanket, or think of something that you like from your house, or a special toy? Bring it along and come watch me and Cece pack our bags. Come on, let's pack. First, we're gonna pack the Marielody kit. It has goggles, it has pail and shovel for the pool, and so much more. We also need, very important, our toothpaste, just like Dr. Mel said, a toothbrush, and sunscreen for the sun. Let's zip that up and put it away. Cece wants to bring her special teddy bear. Here we go. Cece's ready to go to the airport. When you get to the airport, you go to the security to make sure we're all safe. Then we roll our luggage right on the plane. And when we go on the plane, we speak in a quiet voice because there's other people traveling also. We go and find our seat. We sit down, we get comfortable, and we can even play games. We're sitting on the plane and we're gonna buckle our seatbelts. Okay, Cece, let's click in. Click! And we're sitting by the window. Look outside. Wow, I could see the sky. I can't wait for when we take off and we go whoop, up in the air. And we could see the clouds and we could play games when we're up in the sky. Let's think of some games we could play. Cece had a great idea. She wants to meet the pilot when we get off the plane. And she wants to make him a nice photo to thank him for the amazing flight. Let's make a picture. Great flight, pilot. Everybody clap your hands. We landed. I cannot wait to go to the beach with Cece and hear all about her trip when she gets home. Let's go see where everyone else is going. It's Jesse's turn to get ready for his trip. He's driving in the car up the mountains to go skiing, but he wants to pack a bag of his favorite things that he could use in the car because it's going to be a long car ride. Ready, Jesse? Let's pack our bags. Put in his favorite blankie for the car that if he wants to take a nap, he has that. He loves his raisins, his pirate booty for the road, his toys that he could play with, Slinky, and water if he gets thirsty. We're also going to play a fun game in the car. I'm going to help you. Do you remember when we played the game I Spy? Follow along and we're going to play I Spy together. Jesse wants to play I Spy. Okay, let me get the clue. I spy with my little eye a vehicle with 4 wheels. Do you see it? The color is yellow. Second clue. Cece, you found it. Tell me what it is. A yellow truck. Great job. We're driving in the car. We're having so much fun. What do you want to do? Cece wants to play. Let me think what else we could play. I still want to play I Spy because now we're in the car for a while and we're going up the mountains. Do you see the mountains? I spy with my little eye something white. Do you see it at the tip of the mountains? You have to look closely. Look, it's a little far. Try. Snow! Cece, you spotted the snow! That's amazing! I cannot wait to go skiing with Cece! Yay! Hi friends, we're with Wendy in Art Zone and we're going to do a special project together. Come see what we're going to make. Come on, let's go. Let's put on our smock. This protects our clothes from getting dirty before we paint. Come on, Wendy, let's put it on. Wendy's ready to paint. And she has her paint palette where she picks all of her colors to put inside to get ready to paint. There are so many different options in this art zone, but Wendy decided she wants to paint. Look at these brushes. Red, orange, yellow, purple, green, and blue. Just be creative. We explored all the colors. Wendy decided to make a rainbow. She used orange, purple, green. What do you want to make? We have pencils, we have chalk, and crayons. Hi friends, we're up to the next activity with Wendy. We're cooking with Susan from the Hungry Hippos and Arlene's gonna help us. Come on everyone, let's watch.
Okay, so first we're gonna put the oil. Perfect. Then we're gonna put our maple syrup. Pour that into the bowl.
What's your favorite thing to eat? Waffles. Oh, good thing we're making waffles today. Should we put sprinkles in them? You like sprinkles or do you like chocolate chips? Oh, so we're gonna do chocolate chip. These are my favorite shaped waffles. Stay tuned to see what it is. Great. We're making Mickey Mouse waffles. It's ready. Let's see how they came out. It's Mickey Mouse waffle time! Come on, let's go eat our waffles together.
I'm so excited to try these. Let's see how they taste.
Mmm, yummy.
Staying home could be so much fun too, right, Wendy? We had such a great vacation home. We went to the art zone, we did a cooking class with Susan from Hungry Hippos, and we got to hang with Arlene. What a great vacation. Bye, friends. I hope you had fun on all my travel adventures. See you next time. Don't forget, subscribe and like.
Now it's time to say goodbye to Marielody. We hope to see you next time. Come back to Disney. We always have so much fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. It was such a treat. Can't wait for the next time we meet. Bye from your friend, Marielody.